Book of Acts, Advancing and Changing Through the Spirit, a model for our churches. Acts 13, 1-3, a study of the Antioch Church. By Paul Bucknell, produced by Biblical Foundations for Freedom, www.foundationsforfreedom.net.
The book of Acts, advancing and changing through the Spirit. And it's just so exciting for us to be able to catch a greater glimpse of what God was doing in the early church. One of the questions we need to ask ourselves, though, as we go through this book is, how is the early church relevant to our own lives? Well, today we'll be speaking on Acts chapter 13, verses 1-3. And we'll be taking a special look at the church at Antioch and seeing in what ways can it be a model for us. And right from the beginning, I want to acknowledge the Antioch church is special, but it does not mean that it's a model in every different way. We only are actually looking at not too many verses. When we look at the book of Revelation, we find that there are a number of churches that have many good characteristics and traits. There's others that are not. I want to start, though, today by just mentioning two big questions that we should think of for our own churches as we go through here. First of all, what is its purpose? Why did God, in the book of Acts, chapter 2, if you've been here with us, some of you are just joining in mid-part, but if you've been from the beginning, you remember Acts 1 and 2, where God began the church as we now know it. And we need to ask, well, what is its purpose?